Yeah, g'day, it's Ashley here. I just thought I'd start recording my live trading. I'm having a little bit of an issue with resetting my account. Obviously, I'm only trading a demo account here. Trying to get some accountability with myself. Obviously, I don't have anyone to share my trading with, and I get into this bad habit of having a good trading day. I'm up, and then the next trading day, or the next day, I have a bad one, or I have a couple of losses, and I'm resetting accounts and really struggling with statistics. So I'm trading an ES 1000 volume. It's Monday night, Tuesday morning. It's roughly, or just went Tuesday morning here where I am. Um, so we'll just have to see the market. We had a really nice trend back here, and as you can come down, the market's just gone into some consolidation and ranging. Which I mean, obviously, we've got a couple of really nice trades here. We could have had a what we call a T7. Market's moved down. Would have got in the trade possibly on the close of this bar or this bar here, and I would have went for 5 ticks. The way I do my trading, I have a 5 tick target, 5 tick stop, which is 0.05% risk per trade on my account per lot. We'll only be trading one lot as I have a small account, or a small demo account I should say. I'm not really interested in setting up a 20, 30,000, $100,000 demo account, as when I do start to trade in real life or go back to trading in real life with real money, obviously I won't be trading 30,000, 50,000, 100,000. I'll only be trading 10, 5, 10,000. So I want to keep it realistic. I'm doing these recordings so I can go back and view, look at where I went right, where I went wrong, and obviously have some diary, a visual diary of me not resetting my demo accounts anymore. So hopefully we get some trading opportunities here in the next few minutes. Just back here, you can see a little bit of consolidation here, but we come up, we peaked, we had a bit of a hard stop here. Market come down, went back up, we had a lower high, and then the market turned over, went down. I think they call the next trade after a T20 a T20-1, so that would have been a good opportunity to get in the market here at the close of this bar. And then me personally, I would have got my 5 ticks there easily. Market comes up, stalled out here on a 34 bounce. So this gold line here is a 34 EMA, exponential moving average. Close on or over the 8, which is just here, and then over it down it goes for easy 5 ticks. Yeah, and then obviously this is my type of trading here, or this is what I always find myself getting caught up. I sit down at my computer after a really good trend and call it bad luck or beginner's luck. I always get caught up in this area here I'm talking about, the consolidation. So consolidation is excellent in the Forex market when I'm trading my advanced patterns, Gartley and Cypher, Bat and Butterfly, and on all those particular patterns. But the way I trade futures is based on really good momentum, really good trends. So we'll just see how we go. Hopefully we won't have to sit here too long. I am a member of the Day Traders Fast Track program. I have been since April. I'm very happy with the way that's been going. Obviously my chart, as you can see here, is pretty much a model of Samurai Traders chart. It is a lot easier to learn when you're following somebody else, then you have someone to bounce ideas off and talk to and about issues, trading issues. I'm not going to go too much into what's going on down here, as I will be posting this website, this particular video on YouTube. Obviously I don't want to be giving away any of the information that I've paid for. I want to protect the Day Traders Fast Track program for those who have paid for it. Any trade setups that I do talk about will be obviously a reference from the program that I'm a member of. So those who do watch it, obviously it's not secret code, it's just a label that is given to particular trade setups that involve obviously our EMAs, a lot of price action, and these particular settings down here. As you can see here, market's come down and tested 2173.5. It's come up multiple times, or twice here, and also a few times here it's tested 2176.5. So it's definitely ranging. Got a floor pivot here. All my EMAs bunched up. So I want to be getting out of that. I want to see either break to the upside or break to the downside. I have lots of experience trading in consolidation and getting chopped up, but that's an experience thing, or an inexperienced thing I should say. I get too excited, I just want to trade. It's actually interesting here that the market's come up, tested our highs, and then our low is actually higher than these two previous ones. It's low, it's higher twice, and then we've got a bit of a same here, but it's spiking up, but we've actually got like a bit of a dead stop just here at 2175. I've always got reference in front of me, my trading plan. In my trading plan, it's just a spiral binder, like a display book with all my setups, indicators I use in their settings, just notes that I've taken along the way that have been handy. Not going to go too much into it, but I've always got my plan on hand. So like I said earlier, when I do start trading, when we do get a breakout, I will be chasing 5 ticks, 5 tick stop, 5 tick target, which is on one contract. I've got a bit of a double bottom here that's just here. It's definitely got my attention. My biggest problem is that I want to trade. I like trading, and it's all about, or I'm trying to learn to trade what I see, not trade what I think or what I want to do. my mind's telling me not to trade because we've got all our EMAs all bunched up. A floor pivot here. This is in the middle. Long-term stochastics in the middle. MACD's in the middle. Standard MACD. Oh, actually, it's not a standard MACD setting, but it's pretty close too. We've got a full-bodied candle here. I really want to see if if that was another full-bodied candle there, and tell you what. Might go long.
Order filled.
So I'm in the market here at 21.75.75. I don't know why my stops and targets haven't came up. I usually trade with my chart trader here on the side. That might have something to do with it, but I'm actually just trying to trade off the dome and just be a little bit more onto my trading. Entered here, so I've got 1, 2, we had 3 ticks. Might just pause the recording just quickly here and see if I can get this, bring it up for you. Okay, yeah, so it was a chart trader setting just up here. Again, I've just got it off my screen just so I definitely want to get better with this using the DOM. So this is alarming. Oh, we've broke through. So I want to see this candle close, because I did jump the gun here trading, but I was definitely interested in this double bottom here. My wife often comes in and asks what I'm doing because she can hear me yelling at the monitor and carry on like I'm at the races some days, screaming at the favourite or the horse that's got my money. But I'm going to try and compose myself and just trade. So this will probably be maybe 2 hours long. I'll edit out all the quiet, boring bits. But we are up.
Target filled.
Okay. So what happened then? I've got in my strategy thing here on NinjaTrader, I've got when it actually hits my target, it goes to break even +1. So that was actually quite good. Why I traded this particular setup, even though we were in on the pivots and the EMAs were all bunched up, I was quite attracted to this double bottom and this engulfing, this full-bodied candle. If I was paying attention, I would have entered at the same point, but back here on this candle. But I got in at the same price, which was great, and I got my 5 ticks, and the market seemed to have stalled here. So obviously, if I got in here, I would have been still waiting, and I would have been a little bit nervous sitting here waiting here. I probably would have exited. Actually, that's quite good there, so we might actually just jump in.
Order filled.
Another buy. Market moved extremely fast then, but we're trading straight into a pivot, which is not recommended. Anyway, let's stop talking and start trading. Just going to jump in on another contract. Just, yeah, I'm going to.
Order filled.
Really shouldn't have. Well, it's going my way anyway. So I've got 2 contracts, still separate targets, separate stop losses. One more tick. That's actually meant to be +1, I would have thought. Oops. Just trying to
Target filled.
trying to move my stop, not my. So that's that one. The first one we put in back here. Oh, there we go. Break even +1 on the second one. Come on.
Target filled.
You can see prices starting to move away from the 8 EMA. I've had 3 really good trades here. I do want to mark them up, but I was a little bit distracted here earlier. I would have liked to have gotten in back on this one here. Hopefully we're only going to go as far as the 34 EMA. If it does tag the 34 EMA and close back over it like just here, I might, you know what, I'm going to go long.
Order filled.
Hopefully I didn't jump the gun. If price was right out away from the 34 EMA and there was a bit of a bubble here, I probably wouldn't have traded against it. But as you can see, bars have always been quite close to it, apart from these couple here. We'll see how we go. Hopefully I didn't jump the gun. I might just fix these up. Oh, that's going really well there. One more, it'll go to break even. And then or break even +1, and then hopefully it doesn't come back down there. Oh, excellent.
Target filled.
You can see the difference here where the price is right away. Just mark this up. I really wish NinjaTrader had the lines that references the entries for the targets, or on the other side entry versus the stops. Oh, okay, I would call that a T3 actually, where price actions come right away. Bit of a bubble here, closed on. If you didn't get in there, you'd probably get in here. Like I said, I don't counter trend trade just at the moment. A bit of a T1 paint bar signal just here, but that's starting to go. Here we go. It's coming down to 34. We're going to close back over the 8. I'm going to take this trade. Actually, I might consider that there. Try and get in.
Order filled.
I'm just going to close this trade. Yeah, I'm going to close it. Is that another 34 bounce setting up? I'm not really comfortable with this. I'm going to close this trade out manually.
Target filled.
So we got out there, break even. Very strong resistance here. I'm almost thinking short now. So when the blue is above the yellow, I trade long. When the blue, the 8 EMA, is below the 34 EMA, I trade short. Coming up to 39 minutes on the clock. I'll be interested in trading short when the blue crosses the gold, and we've got a break and close below here, 2181.5. $34 is definitely starting to roll over. 8 EMA has rolled over. Is it a downward thing here? Oh, here we go. I might jump in for a sell. Come on.
Order filled.
Trading. Just realised I've just traded straight into the 89 EMA. And we're probably looking at an 89 EMA bounce here. So call an 89B. I'd like to have stops above this high. I will close this trade manually, I think, if we get a break and close above 2182, and yeah, so if we break and close at 2182.50, I like to get in on limit orders if the market's moving quite fast. I'll just use market orders. I'm going to sell here at the 25.
Order filled.
Based on the break below my trend line, full bodied candle. The 8's just come in below. Lots of consolidation when you get a break below. In my opinion, you never know. We'll see how it goes. Always separate targets. I get average entry price, but for both contracts, obviously separate stops and targets.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So I don't really know what happened then, but I entered on a T25. I think I might have got it slipped a little bit, but I tried to enter at the close of this bearish candle. So it's a bit messy in here, but one contract here, one contract here, one contract here. I don't know why. Really don't know what happened then, because when I entered here, it should have been down here somewhere. So I might just re-enter.
Order filled.
Re-enter because I should have another. There's a floor pivot there, so but I should have had another trade open. Market's really through that.
Target filled.
Oh. It's unusual. We might get a bounce back. Oh, here we go. So if market comes down and tests this level again, I'm going to enter. Try and get in at 2178.5. Just not sure if I should be another tick below it. 50.
Order filled.
Just not sure for the T25 if I'm meant to be down here at 2178 down here. I entered on that candle here when it touches. Just not sure. It's going in my favour anyway. So all these trades here, they're T25 trades.
Target filled. Order filled.
That was another T25. But when I was hovering my mouse over the dome, I accidentally clicked it. I wasn't meant to enter until here, 77.
Target filled.
Very close to the floor pivot here now. Floor pivot, I should say pivot. And
Order filled.
34B came up, bounced, close on the 8. See how we go. I think after this trade I'll just about do it. I'll mark all these up and just do a bit of a review, because that's my screen there, so come on. Missed it. Look at that. It just touched the line. I always want to know why. It touches this, never gets filled, but as soon as it touches the stop for 1 second, orders filled. Yeah. Come on. Might be a little bit there. No, I think I'm going to get stopped.
Stop filled.
Ah, well, I can't complain. That would probably have to be almost the most successful my trading has ever been. So I'm not gonna trade anymore, even though we've got an excellent trend here. I'm just going to go back and take the opportunity while I've still got everything here on this screen. Go back and do a bit of a revision. We've been recording for an hour, so so we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. Okay, so we started with a T7. We closed over all the EMAs. We got in here. We got our 5 ticks. If I was quick enough on the trigger, I probably could have got in again here on a T25, but I ended up getting in up here. And again here on a T25, both those came in. 34 bounce, which was a really good, probably my best trade of the night, I feel. Market comes down, tagged the 34, closed over the 8, 5 ticks, thank you very much. And then a little bit of a lot of consolidation here. I tried to go long again on a 34 bounce. Market did go in my favor, 1, 2, 3 ticks. Came back on me, and I closed the trade manually for break even. And then straight away after that, I got another. It went back in my favor, 3 ticks, and market come back down. So it would have been a losing trade anyway, but I got in short here on a evidence was a T7 and a T20 here, crossover. So I got in here, short, chasing 5 ticks. Struggled a little bit here in market ranging in this 4 tick range. Yep. Entered again short on multiple T7s, multiple double tops, triple tops, and I got in on this engulfing, or like a full candle, bear candle, and I got my 5 ticks there. Entered on a T25 here, 5 ticks there, another T25, 5 ticks, T25, 5 ticks, 34 bounce here short. Was hoping to get 5 ticks. Market touched me, but then come back break even +1. And then obviously you can see here, if I didn't have the +1, I would have stayed in the trade and I would have ended up getting my target. But that's trading. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll edit all the boring bits out. But yeah, thanks to Samurai Trader for the Day Trader Fastback program, Fast Track. Anyway, a bit tongue-tied there, but anyway, thanks very much. Bye.